This what you want? Okay, let's go get it. We gotta order a big pizza, extra large. Because I heard this from a friend of mine. They said this pizza is very good. Well, we'll see how good it is. $20 for that pizza. Domino's, you can get an extra large for, I think it was $11.99, like 3 times the size. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's why it's a seafood pizza, and inside each one of these, I think it's shrimp or lobster. I don't know what it is. Yeah, there's lobster. Yeah, like I said. I mean, it's okay, but I want pizza from me, pizza. It's okay. I mean, it's good, but it's not pizza. So, hey, what's up? New faces, new places. I'm waiting on my hotel room to get ready. So I'm going to go down here, check out this gym, and then after this workout, we'll check out this hotel that I got for $15 a night and a free breakfast with a pool here in Siem Reap. I love the sidewalks here. Well, I arrived. Check this gym out. It's maybe a 10-minute walk from this new hotel I'm going to show you guys. We're at the Gold's Fitness Gym. This place looks really nice. What were you saying? You want to go back to my hotel?
No!
Oh!
To your gym at American.
Oh, you want to come to the gym in America? Because I'm like, oh, that's hilarious. Yeah, look, they got proteins, BCAAs here. That's awesome. I heard it's a lot simpler in Siem Reap. And I just got done talking to a guy that we're both waiting to get our room. He just traveled over 1,000 kilometers, and he went to Kampot, and he told me it was no good, but I'm still gonna go there, check it out. You guys, this is a gym. Look at the functional.
Yes. All equipment be in
Cycling, they got the functional.
boxing area.
Boxing
and
area.
All equipment that be in food. Yeah.
Very impressed.
Yes.
Very impressed. And then sauna here, showers.
Yeah. We have now first dimension sauna we close for fixing.
Oh, fix it. That's
Yes.
okay. Man, this is nice.
Yes.
Nice.
Bathroom.
Okay, we're gonna go over and take a look. I guess they got a pool here. Oh, ping pong tables. You know, I was kind of nervous because I booked and I was going in this other direction where, you know, my last hotel was. And I'm like, what did I get myself into? And I'm at an amazing place. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Swimming pool.
Yeah, I don't want to get them in the picture, so. But yeah, they have a swimming pool, the ping pong tables.
You wanna check inside?
No, that's just the restrooms.
Okay.
I'm sure they're clean.
Yes.
Everything here in Siem Reap's been very clean. Top-notch fitness equipment, hammer strength. I love this gym. So like I said, visit Gold's Gym here in Siem Reap. It's a nice place. Oh, well, that was a good workout. We're gonna head over to the new hotel. See if the room is ready. I'm here at the Parna Hotel and Spa. 15 USD a night. Swimming pool, free breakfast. So pretty cool. Hello. We'll see if the room's ready. Yeah, it looks like they got the little restaurant area right here. Let's go check this pool out and then I'll show you guys my room. Yeah, so they got a little pool here. Yeah, so $15 a night. I'm going to extend another night. I had American money, a $50 bill. They didn't have change. And I really like the gym in the area, so I figure I'll give it another night. Why not? So let's check this room out. Like double doors, refrigerator. You have the bed with the TV. The air is very nice. Looks like a seating area here looking out of the window. A little terrace, balcony, overlooking the pool. Typical nice bathroom. Got the big bowl. Just a step-in shower. Hey, not too bad. 15 USD. And that includes a free breakfast. So if you can, smash that like button, subscribe, stay tuned to the next video.